The Mojito is a traditional Cuban cocktail that has become popular worldwide. Its origins can be traced back to the 16th century when a similar drink, known as el Draque, was consumed. This drink was named after the English sea captain and pirate Sir Francis Drake and was made with aguardiente, a predecessor to rum, sugar, lime, and mint. Over time, as rum production became more refined and widespread in the Caribbean, the aguardiente was replaced with rum, leading to the modern Mojito. The combination of ingredients rum, sugar, lime juice, soda water, and mint creates a refreshing and flavorful drink that captures the essence of Cuban culture and its tropical climate. The Mojito gained international fame in the 20th century, partly due to its association with famous personalities like Ernest Hemingway, who was known to enjoy the cocktail during his time in Cuba. Today, the Mojito is a popular drink in bars and restaurants around the world, celebrated for its light, refreshing taste. Consuming a Mojito, like any alcoholic beverage, can have various effects on your body. Here's a breakdown of what happens when you drink a Mojito. Short-term effects, relaxation, and euphoria. Alcohol, the main active ingredient in rum, acts as a depressant on the central nervous system. It can lead to feelings of relaxation, reduced anxiety, and mild euphoria. Impaired judgment and coordination. Alcohol can impair cognitive functions, leading to slower reaction times, reduced coordination, and poor decision-making. Dehydration. Alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it increases urine production, which can lead to dehydration if you don't consume enough water. Increased heart rate. The combination of alcohol and sugar can lead to an increased heart rate. Caloric intake. A typical Mojito contains sugar and calories, which can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Long-term effects with excessive consumption. Liver damage. Chronic heavy drinking can lead to liver diseases such as fatty liver, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. Cardiovascular problems. Long-term excessive alcohol consumption can increase the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Addiction. Regular heavy drinking can lead to alcohol dependence or addiction. Mental health issues. Chronic alcohol abuse can contribute to mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. Benefits in moderation. Social enjoyment. Moderate alcohol consumption can enhance social interactions and provide enjoyment in social settings. Potential heart health benefits. Some studies suggest that moderate alcohol consumption may have protective effects on the heart, but these benefits must be weighed against the risks. Key ingredients. Lime juice, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It can boost the immune system and improve skin health. Mint contains antioxidants and has soothing effects on the digestive system. Soda water hydrates without adding calories. Moderation is key. Drinking mojitos or any alcoholic beverage in moderation is crucial to minimize negative health effects. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) defines moderate drinking as up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated to my new video.